In this lesson, you will assign spaces on multiple levels to a zone in the building and verify the zone in the system browser. Click the menu Browser and select Open. And from the Training Files Imperial Mechanical Systems folder, open the file RME Mech Zones 03. Here's a reminder that all space reference lines have been hidden in the training file to provide a clearer view of the floor plan. Space shading and space tags indicate spaces. To display reference lines, you would go to Visibility Graphics dialog, and under Visibility on the Model Categories tab, you would expand Spaces and turn on Reference. Let's create a zone for spaces on multiple levels. In the project browser, scroll down to under Zoning and note that the active view is Level 2 zoning. Zoom in to Lounge 215, which is to the right of the central stairs. Then open the view Level 1 zoning. Then type WT to tile the two windows. Then adjust the two views if necessary, and click inside the Level 1 zoning view to activate it. Then, from the Analyze tab, on the Spaces and Zones panel, click Zone. Then, with the Add Space tool active, in the Level 1 zoning floor plan, select Lounge 120 to add it to the zone. Then, with the Add Space tool still active, click in the Level 2 zoning view and add Lounge 215 to the zone. Then click Finish Editing Zone. Next, we'll tag a zone. Activate the view Level 1 Zoning and click the Annotate tab, and from the Tag panel, click Tag by Category. On the options bar, verify that leader is selected and that it is set to attached end and that the distance is ½ inch. Then click in the lounge space to tag the associated zone. Then press Escape, zoom out, and select the tag so that you can use the drag controls to move it as desired. The tag only displays in the view where it was placed. Because the heating and cooling loads calculations have not been performed, the tag displays not computed for those values. Let's rename the zone. Double-click the zone tag. In the Change Parameter Values dialog, click inside the value field for Name Parameter and change it to Lounge East. Then click OK. Then press F9 to display the system browser. The new zone name displays in the system browser. You can expand the zone in the system browser to view the spaces in it. Then close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.